So the whole nose piece comes off of here at the frame. This blue piece is snapped into the clear. So you pull at the blue and the clear just kind of pops away. So inside you've got 2 circles there, which is pretty standard. You've got this blue colored plastic, which is super popular with Fisher and Paykel. They've got a notch cut out in the top there, and you're gonna line it up with that notch there and just give it a little smush. And this one does give you a nice satisfying little snap. When I want to get it off, I put one finger at the bottom. This is really weak, so try not to like jab into that. I just kind of support it, and then I grab this little top blue tab and just kind of rock it away from the plastic, and you're left holding this little nasal pillow. You wash your nasal pillow every single morning, and every 2 weeks you throw it away because this super soft plastic, it gets stiffer with time, and then you start to get sore around your nostrils and things. So throw that away every 2 weeks. The rest of this can be just washed with warm soapy water every single week. You'll be sure and get your headgear and everything good and clean when you wash it. Hang it up to dry all day, and your headgear should be good for 6 months. So there you have it, the Brevida from Fisher and Paykel.